Today we will learn good manners. Wake up early. Waking up on time helps you to be productive all the day. You feel fresh and energetic the whole day if you wake up on time. Early to bed, early to rise, makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Brush your teeth. You should brush your teeth as soon as you wake up. Brush your teeth twice a day to keep cavities and other tooth problems away. Your mouth feels fresh after brushing your teeth. Take a bath. Taking a bath regularly is a good habit. It keeps skin infections away and prevents body odor. You smell good the whole day after taking a bath. Also, it is fun playing with soap bubbles. Eat a healthy breakfast. Breakfast is one of the most important meals. You should have a healthy breakfast so that you can get the energy to work all day. A healthy breakfast should include fruits, vegetables, proteins, and other micronutrients. You should never skip your breakfast. Go to school on time. You should never be late for school. Otherwise, you may miss some important topics being taught at school. Play or exercise. Exercising or playing outdoors is very important for physical health of our body. It activates the muscles and provides flexibility to the body. It also enhances the mood of a person. You can play any of your favorite sport or game. Keep your surroundings clean. Always keep your surroundings clean. Garbage can be the reason for many insects to breed. This can cause various diseases and infections. Pick up any garbage you see on the road and put it in the dustbin. Always throw the garbage in a dustbin. Wash your hands frequently. Wash your hands after you do any work that makes your hands dirty. Washing hands frequently is a good habit. Always wash your hands before eating your food.